Hello guys, welcome back to a new tutorial in Tech Badshah. Today's tutorial we are going to focus on setting up dashboards in Artify. So far we have seen how to install it, how to use it, how to create tickets, the workflows. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up dashboard. We'll see these 5 items which you can see on the screen: understanding the layouts, understanding components, saved searches, which is nothing but the custom components that we'll be creating basis the saved searches. Then placing your custom components on your dashboard and exactly placing the dashboard into your menu meaning under the reports menu. So we'll see all these 5 options in RT5. We'll go ahead and show you on the screen. So I am now on the RT screen. I'll quickly log in and take you through the dashboard. You can see this is my dashboard. By default, when you set up the IT, it will give you 10 highest priority ticket that I own. It will give you 10 newest unknown tickets, and it will give you my reminders. And below you will see bookmark, and you will also see a quick ticket creation options. As of now, I've customized my dashboard basis my requirements. I'll take you through the options, how you'll be able to manage your dashboard, how can you create new dashboard, how will you be able to rearrange the components, and how can you really add a new component. Quickly review the options that we had into our slides. So we have first option, understanding the layout, understanding the components. So to be able to do this, you have two options. You can go to directly here by clicking on this panel. You can click on edit. You can either go to admin here, global, and RT add class. So better option is always that you go to RT add class, and system gives an option to edit and modify, or you can add a new dashboard from here. I'll show you how to edit it. You can just click on this label edit dashboard, and then you'll be able to see the components, body, system, and sidebar, and you will also see your save searches here. So the first thing is about understanding the layout. The RT, the way it functions into layouts like the page layout is like this is the body and this is the slide bar. The right hand side that option that you're able to see called sidebar, and the left side is called body. So anything you want to add, you have to just drag and drop from left hand side to the right hand side. Either you want to see into your body, that's the left hand side this section, or if you want to see something here right hand side as your what is the sidebar, you can simply drag to sidebar section. So I'll quickly show you how it works. For example, say and to add something to the body, for example, say quickly, you can say just simply drag it to the right hand side and simply click on save. Go back to your dashboard. If you reload your dashboard, just scroll down the section, you will see quick navigation ticket section. If you want to change the sequence, if you want to see it like on the top, just drag it up and you will be able to see that it will be shifting to the top. It has gone. What I'll do is I'll just add it again, click create, and I'll just save it. Now go back and reload your dashboard. You can click on home or just reload the app. Now you can see it is appearing on top of this. So we are covering the understanding of layout. I've shown you the layout consent. I'll show you one more thing that I just missed it. So when you go to this option, modifying the contents or the sidebars or the body, you would see this layout with the body width. It is body width with the number of columns. You can always increase or decrease by clicking on this spinner. Here also the similar thing. So for body you can see 8 columns. Here you can see 4 columns. What happens is columns means the data which is being presented. For example, say reminder section, you can see 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. Similarly, here on the body side, you would see 1. This is hash, meaning the ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many columns system is going to be displaying without a scroll bar here? So that's the meaning of this here, the number of the columns that you show. Similarly, sidebar, you have 4. You can see 3. It can be added one more. So if you increase the columns here on the sections, it will just add a scroll bar. Better to always manage these options. Whatever numbers you mention here, try to be limited with this number of columns. Else you will be able to see a scroll bar here at the widget level. So this is the way you're customizing your dashboard. Go back to the screen. I don't need this quick create option because it's already there in the home menu and there's separate button for this. So you see this create new ticket, and from here also you can create a ticket. So I don't feel a need of this quick creation option on the dashboard. So that is why I will remove it out. So we have covered understanding the layout and then understanding the components. Components are nothing but the you can see these placeholders. You'll be able to drag it right side. So this is these are the components that are system defined, and basically system defined options like your calendar, reminder, support queues, everything. And here this is system. When you say system, this area is something your saved searches. These are the saved searches which is predefined by RT itself. Below, whichever user have created and servers have created all these save searches. So these are the system defined meaning. For example, say you see ticket bookmark tickets, ticket data request. So what are these things? These are nothing but the save searches by RT itself. So I'll give an example. So for example, say this 10 highest priority tickets I own. So this is one save search by system itself. So you can save your searches and place a particular search on a particular dashboard. So here, if you click on this, it takes you the complete ticket count here. Similarly, you'll be able to modify and add your own searches. So that's the meaning. That's the difference between system and server. System predefined by RT. Server, that's something you create. Other user who's using the RT is saving the search. And then whichever things you want, you can simply drag right hand side. So if you see on my screen, you see this pie chart. You see CRs. So if you see the CRs and pie chart, this is something basically created by me as a user and then save these particular searches. And then I'm just dragging from left hand side to right hand side. I'll show you how this pie chart works in some time. So here chart, you can see this chart as the type of the saved searches is identifying that it's a part of chart. That is why you can see the chart like this pie chart, and this is my tabular chart. So this is how save searches can be drag and drop and placed as a component to the dashboard. I'll show you how a particular save search works. How can you convert that into a chart? To be able to do this, simply you have to do a search. What you can do is new search. Here by default you can do a blank search by clicking on add these terms and search. But what I'll do is I'll simply put some kind of specific areas that I would like to search. So for example, say I want to look at the app support queue. So the tickets which are there in app support will be listing. I'm saying add these terms and search. You can add simply add these terms, and then terms will be visible here. I'll do this for you. So this is my first condition to filter out the search results. So I'm saying show me the tickets which is of app support queue. Similarly, you can add other areas whichever you want, and then you can add those searches. I have just clicked on add these terms. Otherwise, you would have just clicked on add these terms and search. It would have directly searched. So what I'm doing is right away. You can also click on update format and search. I'm saying add these terms and search. So it's showing me the data which is there in your that particular queue, meaning the app support. You can always customize these headers. However, I'm not keeping in the scope of this particular demo. I'm clicking on chart. When you click on chart, you can see these statuses as resolved, rejected, open, new. And then accordingly, if you want to filter out more, or maybe you want to try different charts, what you can do is just scroll down. At the end, you're able to see this option By default, it is coming as bar. You can change it to, for example, say I want to do as pi. You just click on pi and I will say update chart. Once you update it, this will be coming as pie chart, and this is the way I have added this particular search to my screen, meaning your dashboard. What I can do is right away to show you, simply make this as a bar only. I'll update this one. Then you can save this particular search to be able to display on the dashboard. I'll show you how it works. So go to edit search, keep the privacy as artist systems dashboard so that it's available to others also. And I'm saying, say this is something, say chart underscore demo only, and you can say save. So now one search as chart demo has been saved in the system. You can update, format, and search and see how it works. You can go to chart, and you'll be able to see the chart like this. What I'll do is now I'll place this chart somewhere on my dashboard and show you how it works. Let's go back and reload this page. Now if you scroll down at the comment the end, you will be able to see the one more chart. You should be able to see it. Let me do it again. Editing my dashboard. You can see ticket as chart demo is coming as system because I've saved the privacy as artist system. This is reflecting here. What I'll do is I'll just simply drag it to the right hand side, say in my say third option here, and simply clicking on save. Once you save this, we'll go back to the dashboard and refresh our screen. We'll scroll down and see whether this comes up. So it's coming, but it is not coming as chart. We'll see it out why it is not coming. I'll just cut it out. Or what I can do is I'll go to settings, my saved searches, and do chart demo. Okay, it's not, I think it is not saved as chart, this particular search results. What I'll do is I'll go to chart, okay, and we'll save it again. I'm making it _1 to identify the differences between both. I'm saying save. Editing my dashboard once more and removing this particular search. Dragging here somewhere the third option. Saving it up again. Going back to my screen again on the dashboard. Now you can see this chart demo 1 appearing on my dashboard. So earlier I had saved that particular search, but I had saved as as a search result, which can be placed somewhere on the dashboard like this tabular view. But I forgotten to click on chart and then save it. So what I did is I simply modified it basically by clicking on the edit. I'll show you once more. So for example, this search result was there, and it was there in, say, this format, show results. So by default, system was saving it like this because I saved it by editing a particular search. So I saved from by clicking on edit search. The right way is to go to chart, then save it out. What I'll do is I'll go back to the dashboard and show you how it works. So you can see this chart now appearing up, okay, and also you see this table. If you want to modify, say you don't want to see the statuses here, you just want to see the chart, simply go to that chart, and at the bottom you will see certain options like include table data and include ticket query. I'll just update this, and at the same time, since now results are updated without the table, I need to update my particular search also. So now I have updated it. Let's go back to the dashboard and see how it is reflecting. Now you can see this table is not appearing. At the same time, it is also showing you a query here. Query q is equal to app support. What you can do is go back to the results, remove this option, untick this include ticket SQL query, update the chart. Now you can see here it's not coming. Similarly, update once more. Go back to the dashboard and reload it out. Once you reload, you will see this option with the query and the table as gone. Also, you can change the way, I mean, not the way, meaning the size of the chat. What you can do is just do it again, and here you can define how much size you want. For example, say you want 210 by 210. Just update. See how smaller it is, and for example, say you maybe let's say 250 kind of square box. So you'll see the kind of sizing it is making. I'm updating it again, and now go back to the dashboard. Now this time you can see the chart has reduced its size. uh, these type of sizes to be, I mean, fit in at the right side. Also you can see this in a particular size it is coming. I can also move this particular chart to my sidebar. Let's try it out. So we'll go to admin again, global, and RT at glance. Edit the dashboard. What we'll do is this time we will just move this particular chart option to the sidebar at the bottom. I'm making the last option and saving it out. Go back to your dashboard and reload. So this time you can see this appearing right hand side. So this is the way you're customizing your dashboard. So I've covered save searches and placing the custom components. Placing your custom components in the dashboard, that is being covered, and dashboard in menu. This is something I'll cover in some time. Let's definitely move it out. So here when I say menu meaning the report menu. So say this update this menu option comes up here, and you will also see all dashboards. So what you can do is simply update this menu works basically placing a particular dashboard into your main dashboard. So what you can do, not main dashboard, meaning a dashboard that basically hyperlink with your reports. So for example, say this server's dashboard I created. So you can create a new dashboard and then place that particular dashboard into your report. We'll quickly do the same thing. We'll go to RT8 clans, and this time we'll do new dashboard. For example, say I want to make it as a chart result. So chart, or any report that, or you can say custom report. I'll make it as custom report, make it RT systems dashboard, and create it out. So now my new dashboard is ready. Now what we'll do is we'll go to content, and now you have to place that particular placeholder here, which data you want to show off. What I will do is simply this chart demo we have and chart demo 1 we have. We'll place it out this demo and this demo 4. So one will show me the chart and one will show me the actual data. Remember when we created out, so we're using it here for a better purpose. Let's click on save. Now what happened is the dashboard that I have created, that dashboard is now I can show you right away. Just click on show, and basis the data, you can say it will reflect like this. It will come as a chart, and below you can see the similar data. Now I want, when I click basically a custom report in my reports drop down, I can have say custom report here as a link. When the user clicks on this out in this particular options under the reports menu, they will be able to see a page like this. So let's do it. Go to reports, then say update this menu. Here you will be able to see the dashboards that you have. I've created this custom report. I'll place it out in the menu option right hand side. and then clicking on save. Once you click on save, go to home again just for a refresh purpose, or you can reload it from here. Go to reports and you will be able to see, you will be able to see this resolved by owner, all these predefined reports and the one which we added as custom report. So let's click on custom report. So the moment I clicked on custom report, it's showing me my chart here and the data here. So this is very beautiful system to be able to explore and show you this. I've worked hard. I would request everyone to please go ahead and subscribe my channel, like my YouTube videos on YouTube, share this with your friends and colleagues. And if you have any concerns, any issues, you want my help, you can add your comments to the comment section. I'll answer those comments whenever I'm free. So these are the options which I have covered in today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you really like, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.